Investing in company shares, also known as stocks, can be a rewarding way to grow your wealth over time. Here's how to get started. Research. Before investing, thoroughly research the companies whose shares you're interested in. Consider factors such as financial performance, industry trends, competitive advantage, and management team. Choose a broker. To buy and sell shares, you'll need to open a brokerage account with a reputable online broker or financial institution. Determine your budget. Decide how much money you're willing to invest in shares. It's essential to only invest what you can afford to lose and to diversify your investments across different companies and sectors. Select stocks. Based on your research, select the companies whose shares align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. You can choose individual stocks or invest in exchange-traded funds or mutual funds for broader market exposure. Place orders. Once you've chosen the stocks you want to buy, place buy orders through your brokerage account. You can specify the number of shares and the price at which you want to buy them. Monitor your investments. Keep track of your investments' performance and stay updated on company news and market trends. Consider setting up alerts to notify you of significant changes. Review and adjust. Regularly review your investment portfolio and make adjustments as needed based on changes in your financial situation, investment goals, and market conditions. Long-term perspective. Investing in company shares is often best approached with a long-term perspective. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations.